Hi, I am Dhanalakshmi from second year for technology. I am talking about the topic is application of artificial intelligence in food industry. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence AI is defined as a field in computer science that initiates human thinking process, learning ability and storage of knowledge. AI can be categorized into two types, which are strong AI and weak AI. The weak AI principle is to construct the machine to act as an intelligent unit where it mimics the human judgments, while the strong AI principle states that the machine can actually represent the human mind. However, the strong AI does not exist yet, and the study on this AI is still in progress. The gaming industry, weather forecasting, heavy industry, process industry, food industry, medical industry, data mining, stem cells, and the knowledge representation are among the areas that have been utilizing AI methods. AI has the variety of algorithms to choose from, such as reinforcement learning, expert system, fuzzy logic, swarm intelligence, Turing test, cognitive science, artificial neural network, and logic programming. The alluring performance of AI has made it a most favorable tool to apply in industries, including decision making and process estimation, aiming at overall cost reduction, quality enhancement, and profitability improvement. Of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence are machine learning, natural language processing, expert system, vision, speech, planning, and robotics. Machine learning. In machine learning are deep learning, supervised and unsupervised. Natural language processing, content extraction, classification, machine translation, question answering, text generation. In vision, image recognition, machine vision. In speech, speech to text and text to speech. AI in food industry. The application of AI in food industry has been grown for years due to various reasons such as food sorting, classification and prediction of parameters, quality control and food safety. Expert system, fuzzy logic, ANN, adaptive neuro fuzzy inference system, and machine learning are among the popular techniques that have been utilized in food industries. Prior to AI implementation, studies related to food have been going on over the years to educate the public about the food knowledge as well as to improve the final outcomes related to the food properties and the production of food. Fresh procedure. One of the biggest challenges faced by the food processing plants related to irregular availability of feedstock. Food processing plants depends on the manual sorting to shift and sort vegetables, leading to loss of efficiency and increased cost. By using artificial intelligence, food processing companies can achieve significant automation for food cataloging, using a combination of cameras, lasers, and machine learning to enable food sorting with enhanced efficiency. For instance, by developing artificial intelligence involving sensor-based optical sorting solution, the hardy time-consuming process for sorting fresh procedure can be removed, leading to higher field with better quality and lesser wastage. The AI is used as means to better calibrate machine in order to manage several product size and reduce the waste and costs. Efficient supply chain management. Supply chain management is to priority for all food companies with the increasing need for transparency. The food industry is using AI to improve the food chain supply chain through food safety monitoring and testing product at every step of the supply chain to ensure the compliance to industry and consumer specification. The most accurate forecasting to manage pricing and inventory. AI based recognition technologies enable better and more efficient procurement of procedure. AI also help in efficient and transparent tracking of procedure from the farm to consumer, leading to the increased confidence among the consumer. Cleaning food processing equipments. Cleaning in place system are programmed to clean equipment in timed cycles. The limits human intervention, which in turn limits the chances of cross contamination from foodborne pathogens, but the system operates blindly and designed for worst case scenarios. With the help of AI based technologies, self optimizing clean in place system SOCIP, which uses the ultrasonic sensing and optical fluorescence imaging to measure food residue and microbial debris in a piece of equipment and then optimize the cleaning process. This leads to saving on the water, time and energy. The cleaning time is reduced by the 50%. Anticipating consumer preferences. Food manufacturers use artificial intelligence based solutions that enable them to clearly anticipate and model the flavor preferences of the target consumer and predicting their such artificial intelligence based predictive analytics which help food manufacturing developing new food products that are closely aligned with consumer taste and preference. The Kellogg company launched AI based technology in 2017 which helped the customer to decide the granola should be chosen from 50 ingredients for making particular customized product. The AI makes suggestions about what ingredients to add to your granola and lets you know if your ingredients are likely to taste good together or not. The AI does not just help individuals make customized small batches of granola. The general data from flavor combination, information about what selection people actually make and what combination people reorder, create a feedback loop refining what flavor people actually like. This source of data will likely provide the parent company very useful information when it comes to deciding what new product to introduce is much larger brands. Developing new products. The AI technology uses machine learning and predictive algorithm to model consumer flavor preferences and predict how well they will respond to new taste. The data can be segmented to demographic group to help companies develop new products that match the preferences of the target audience. With this, manufacturer could know that products will thrive before they hit the shelves. Across numerous restaurants and the location, Coca-Cola has installed the self-service soft drink fountains which allow individual to customize their own drinks. Customer can use this self-service machine to theoretically create hundreds of different drinks by adding different flavor to based on the beverages. These thousands of freestyle drink fountain, each dispensing hundreds of different drinks a day, created a massive amount of consumer preference data that Coca-Cola is using AI to analyze. The first product come from the data was Cherry Sprite. The AI determined the people on their own created a significant amount of cherry flavored Sprite that it could be well as its own standalone product. And our consumer facing application of artificial intelligence. Recommendation engines. Artificial intelligence based food discovery and recommendation engines can help consumer make informed choices on what to eat and what not to eat through applications that learn about consumer food preferences and requirements. And chatbots. By leveraging artificial intelligence based virtual assistant, food resistant apps and chatbots. By leveraging artificial intelligence based virtual assistant, food restaurants can ensure that customers do not need to wait endlessly before making inquiries on the process and customize orders. The process is simplified and contributes the better customer experience. Self-ordering AI-based kiosks. Artificial intelligence-based self-ordering machine can contribute to enhanced customer experience by reducing their wasting time and the need to stand in the line of making payment. Such machine can take consumer order and enable them to make payments directly without the human assistant through integrated card readers. Robots. In restaurants, robots are making an appearance and enhancing the speed and capacity of food preparation, as well as shortening the time for food delivery, challenging the adoption of artificial intelligence technology in food industry. The cost of AI development, which means that only giant players in food industry afford it. Cultural challenges. As with all technical advancement, the development of AI is associated with fear. The fear that computers are taking over, and the fear that such technologies can be negatively manipulated in future. The fear that power will be left in the hands of few and the human will lose their jobs to computers. This could lead to the companies getting disturbed from embracing AI. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is making the food industry more efficient and better and promises to yield many more new changes in near future. The AI's role in food industry is becoming increasingly important due to its ability to reduce waste, predict markets for products, enable round the clock efficient and effective monitoring, augment sanitation, manage costs, and increase revenue. Researchers are going on to prefer solutions to the challenges of artificial intelligence and increase its adoption. Reference and thank you.